In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Click at the bottom right corner over here and choose Set as Live Wallpaper in the pop-up. Now tap on Yes in Use App Settings 1. And to apply this wallpaper right away, click on Set Wallpaper and pick one of those options. Then close your app. If you wish to try to adjust some of its settings, click on this gear at the top right corner. Manage all of them however you want to and click on the back button. You can also click on Presets. Tap on the best one and tap on Yes to load it. Wherever you decided when you finished, go back, click on Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options. Then close your app. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!